Hi guys, Dan here from Flipping Cars and Repairs. How you doing? I've got my wife's car here. It's a Q7 3 litre TDI, the bug engine, and basically the crankshaft sensor's gone. So I'll show you where the location is. So obviously what you got to do, you're going to have to jack it up. Obviously put it on, go on the settings and put it on, what was it? Just basically jack up settings so the suspension don't go up or down or anything. Jack it up, whack it on axle stands. Take this wheel off, and basically the location for your connector is, don't know if you can see my Allen key there, right where my finger is, there should be an Allen key there. Right, it's a 5mm Allen key, and you can actually see what you got now. If you put like a 1/4 inch socket on there, you'll be able to undo it. As you can see, there's a wire that goes way up and it goes to the connector right at the back. Don't know if you can see it on my phone. If I try and get my phone inside there. Right, as you can see, to follow the wire, it goes to that connector. You've got to undo that connector and then replace it. I'll also show you a picture of the new one once I pull it out. But I thought there's not many videos to show you where the location of a Q7 2006 3 litre TDI bug engine. So this is the actual location of your crankshaft sensor. As you can see right there, that is it there. I might even be able to get a better picture. There you go. You see the back of it, and then there's the Allen key. So what I've done is, I can't find my socket, which is obviously I've only got a 1/2 inch right now, so a 1/4 inch will fit perfect. But I've just put an Allen key in it, and I'm using a 10mm on the Allen key, and I've undone the bolt. So there you go. So from here, it's just on the passenger side, located like that. I thought I'd quickly make this video because it was a nightmare for me to try and find it. So to save everyone else the aggro, I did this. Hope you enjoy it. Speak to you soon. Bye.